walking. I'm walking.
He's a walking.
I'm walking, but we're not walking. that took me longer.
It's all right. You just steamrolled over me.
100,000% Loon approved.
Hey, everybody.
Hey, guys.
So today is a very special day.
Yes, it is. We're going to show you something that we've wanted to do for a very long time. Now, have you ever wondered what goes on when the cameras aren't rolling?
Have you ever wondered how we come up with a recipe or a video to share with you guys? You have, haven't you?
Yeah, even if you haven't, we're going to show you anyway.
That's right. We're going to show you all the juicy behind-the-scene antics that we go through to present a recipe to you.
Yes.
And trust me, it's not all fun and games.
I think it is.
Now, it is for the most part. Now, you're probably wondering, how many people do you have working with you to make your content?
Well, you're looking at them.
Ta-da!
Just us.
It's just us. And we are going to show you guys how we make it happen.
That's right. So buckle up. It's going to be a hell of a ride.
Okay, so way back before all of this chopping and prepping and everything gets ready and the filming on camera, we start brainstorming and planning.
About every 3 months, we have a high-level brainstorming session where we strategize about the kind of content we want to create.
We take into account multiple factors. One is identifying old recipes on the blog that make sense to update with brand new content.
Another is developing a recipe that's seasonal, say for an upcoming holiday like Easter, for example.
And we always take into consideration fan requests. They're usually so inspiring and a perfect fit.
We also love to experiment with new video concepts.
Such as our big Friday competition.
Or Chris's How to Grow Tomatoes series.
I love my tomatoes.
Sometimes we partner with a brand that we just know our fans would love.
Okay, so we have to figure out what recipe we're going to do for the ThermoPro. I mean, we've done like every meat on the planet possible.
That's why I was going to use it for pretzels.
But this is a meat thermometer.
It's not just for meat.
That should be their tagline. It's not just for meat.
Okay, it's summer's coming up, so we need to think of recipes for that.
Oh, let's do some smoker recipes.
I was
Yes.
thinking that.
Totally.
Yes. You know what our first one should be? Smoked brisket.
Oh, I love that. Now I'm hungry.
I know.
Is it lunchtime yet?
It's 9 o'clock.
So,
Once we've updated the calendar, it's time to get down to the daily planning.
Every Monday morning, we map out the week's daily schedule.
For every recipe on the schedule, we need time to develop and test, photograph, film, edit, and write.
Now that we have a plan, it's time to start making content.
But before we can do that, we need to go get the ingredients.
Now, I have to say, when it comes to grocery shopping, Chris is the master of the supermarket, and I usually steer clear of him and his cart.
I really do have it down to a science. I know what every market within a 25-mile radius carries, and I've got their store layout ingrained in my brain.
He's at the market so much, he's practically on a first-name basis with all of the employees. Every now and then, Chris makes me go to the store with him.
We split up the list and each grab a cart or a basket.
Chris usually completes his list before I even get started. He flies around the store so fast he practically plows people over.
Oh!
Hello?
That's all you've gotten?
Well, I couldn't find the Chinese noodles.
Did you look in the Asian section?
no, I looked at the pharmacy. Of course I looked at the Asian section.
I guess they don't carry it. I thought they had those.
Well, we could just go to the Asian market.
We don't have time. I'll order it from Amazon and hopefully it'll be here by tomorrow.
Perfect, let's go then.
You don't have the tortellini.
What for?
Tortellini soup?
Oh, right.
Now that all the ingredients have been acquired, it's time to head home, unpack, and get ready to start the entire cooking process.
Once the whole team is firmly in place, Chris begins the tedious task of developing, tweaking, and testing the recipe until it's absolutely perfect.
At this point, it's finally time to see if it's actually Loon approved. Next, Wesley photographs the plated and styled dish in all its beauty.
And we always try to use natural lighting.
And then
we figure out how we're going to film us making it.
Okay, so I think the way it's going to work is that we're going to have the induction burner here with the pot, and then all of the ingredients are here. They all go in, and then I just stir until they simmer, and that's really it.
Okay, then what am I going to do? What do I talk about?
Well, you can talk about the fresh pasta.
Right, and I can talk about how I hated tortellini growing up.
Why did you hate tortellini?
I don't know. I'm thinking that it might have been government issued tortellini.
You mean like the cheese that you had?
Yes. Ew, so gross. Oh.
Okay. I think we're ready. I think we got it figured out.
Oh, thank God. All right.
it's the day of the show, y'all.
That's right, and that's when things get exciting.
Well, as exciting as chopping vegetables can be.
And setting up 6 different cameras, lighting equipment, and microphones.
And making sure everything is in pristine shape for the camera. At this point, we've already mapped out the flow of how the recipe is going to be filmed.
But to keep it fresh, we rehearse the intro just before we're ready to start filming.
This is when the fun really starts.
You would say, well, I don't need any plates if you're going to serve it that way. That was fun.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's showtime.
So all the planning and the prepping is hopefully going to pay off.
Mm-hmm.
Are we ready?
I was born ready.
All right. Let's do it.
3, 2.
It doesn't matter what the temperature is like outside.
This soup is fabulous any time of the year.
Chock full of comforting ingredients.
Oh, made even better with a little grated Parmesan.
Every spoonful is super yummy.
But you can't forget the bread.
No, you can't.
Not
You definitely
forget the
cannot forget the
bread.
bread. I just love this soup. You guys are going to love this soup. So let's
good.
get going. We've got a nice large pot here. I've got it on medium heat, and I've got 16 ounces of Italian sausage, bulk Italian sausage. This is mild
So good.
or spicy.
Thank you.
I know. So we're going to cook this for about for a little bit until it's no longer pink.
Okay, so how long is that going to take?
Oh, like 8 minutes.
All right, well then I'm going to shut off the cameras.
So far, so good.
Yeah.
Okay, we're ready.
I know, I'm turning the cameras back on.
All right, well, hurry. The sausage is going to burn.
Don't do this because then I forget things.
I know.
Don't press me.
All right, hurry up.
Okay, ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
In 3, 2.
Okay, we got. It's no longer pink. It smells
so good, you guys.
Okay, now we're going to keep building the flavors. We're going to add the vegetables. Yum. Okay, I'm giving you a nice big.
I don't mind. This soup is so.
I know. Now we
y'all.
got. It's crazy. So if it tastes nearly as good as it smells, we're in business. Okay.
Okay.
There's a little Parmesan cheese.
Okay.
I am so excited
I
to
might not
eat
wait
this.
for you.
No, you have to wait. It's so creamy.
That's the best part.
I know.
All
It's
right.
not called creamy
Are you
tortellini
ready?
for nothing.
Can everybody see? Okay.
That is the bomb.
Oh! This is amazing. This is amazing. This is 100,000% Loon approved.
I knew it would be. I knew it would be.
So good.
You guys, you've got to make this soup. You are going to be so happy.
Yes.
It's easy. It's delicious. Your
Make
kids will love it.
soup. Make soup. Make it a super day.
It'll be super. All right. Bye, everybody. We love you.
Bye.
We did it.
It is always such a huge relief when we're finished with our videos.
This is when things are really stressful because you don't know how the plating's going to go.
Oh, and did I turn on all the cameras? Did I focus it correctly?
Is it going to make it from here to there?
Or am I going to get all the food on my fork in 30 minutes?
Well, no, that never happens. And then what I get so worried about is it going to be delicious?
Oh, well, 99.999999% of the time, it is amazing.
100% of the time.
Yes. But our work is far from over.
Oh, man, you ain't a kidding.
Now we have to take all of this and get it ready to publish.
Which starts with photographing one of us holding the food for a killer thumbnail.
With his assistant nearby, Wesley formats all of the food photography until they are magazine worthy.
Meanwhile, Chris is working on the blog post, making it easy to understand and very user-friendly while his proofreader naps.
And now it's time to edit and finalize the recipe video.
Chris, can you come in here and check to see if I don't know if I spelled tortellini right.
Yes.
Let's see, T-O-R.
No. You're missing an L right there.
Got it. Okay. I think
Okay.
that's it. I think everything else is good.
Everything good?
Yep, I think I can output.
Yeah. Oh, wait, don't forget about closed captions.
Oh, I know.
We're almost ready for prime time, folks.
Woohoo!
And that, folks, is the process.
All that's left to do is hit the publish button.
The blog post is ready to go live.
The video is ready to be published on YouTube.
And then we're going to share it all over social media.
Yes, are we ready?
Let's publish.
Yay! As you can see, there's a lot more that goes into these little recipe videos than meets the eye.
It is a lot of work. But I tell you, the joy that we get from sharing them with you and then hearing back from you is just indescribable.
That's why we love what we do.
So now you've seen our side, we want to hear from you. Leave a comment and tell us what kind of recipes you want to see, what kind of videos you want us to do.
And if you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and then subscribe. Please subscribe.
All right.
Yay.
We love you guys. Bye, everybody.
Woohoo.